Hello, I'm Dave and I'll be drawing a Spider-Man Among Us skin on this video. I started off real quick with a light circle towards the top of the page, then drew a straight line on the left side of that circle just going down there, and then rounded out like a little bit of an oval shape underneath that. Now in the middle of that circle I'm drawing an oval shape, like a middle towards the right, an oval shape, and connecting that circle to the top of that. Now with the straight line down, I'm drawing in just a rounded out shape on the bottom and connecting those two with that straight line. So that's the two legs. And now on this back part right here, that little backpack looking thing, I just drew like a half oval shape on the back. So now we got our main character shaped out, our Among Us character. So now just finding a place here just above the legs to draw a straight line across, and then again just a little bit of a straight line on the legs, and now like a half like a triangle shape, basically kind of rounded on the top, right there underneath the face. Now I'm coloring it in nice vibrant red color. I'm basically going to use four colors here. So I'm coloring this in with paint markers. You could use colored pencils, crayons, whatever medium you'd want. And I'm coloring in with red here. I'm going to use a nice blue, the two Spider-Man colors. I'm going to use black for outline, and I'm going to use a white color for the backpack, just to kind of change it from the actual color of the paper. And so yeah, now I colored in the legs. And now on to filling in the rest with the blue, the rest of the body with the blue color. So just coloring that in, and then where the legs are, and coloring that in, and finish that up. So once I have that done, now I'm going to work on the outline. So now I got the black paint marker out, and I'm outlining now the top of the head, and now the front down to the bottom where the legs are, and now to the back. Just show some straight lines down. And I'm going back over it. It's okay if you kind of overlap on those lines and then they're not perfectly straight. That's kind of how those Among Us characters are anyways. And so now once I did that, I'm coloring in the backpack with white. The white had a little bit of red on it from before, so I was fine with that though. I just wanted to kind of change the color a little bit from the paper color white to just some little variation, like a little different. So yeah, once I got that, now I'm gonna do some outline here. So I'm gonna outline where the colors split, basically where the blue and the red split. That's where I'm outlining. But also throughout the body, I'm doing these straight lines down, some just lines connected to the front of the face there. So you see another line right here, another line there. So they're spread out as you go further away from that front mask. And then I'm doing these like web kind of half ovals all the way through, but just connecting them. So you see, just connect, but they're like half oval shape. So now you got that Spider-Man look there. Now with a circle and then an oval shape right underneath, I'm drawing in the spider, and then two legs there, and then two legs going upward on each side. So now once I got that, I'm outlining the backpack. Now in this case, the paint was still a little wet, so I had to just kind of go over it a little bit more. But a couple of lines there. Still just kind of sticking with the theme of getting like the webbing look on the backpack. Now another line there, and then one last line to finish it off. And so here it is, Spider-Man Among Us skin. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.